Hey guys, we get this question a lot. How do you check the reference number on your Rolex? And this is exactly how we're going to do it. We're going to look in between the lugs on the watch where the band is. We actually have to take it off to find the reference number. It starts by removing the band. And what I just pointed to is a spring bar. We want to get to the spring bar, and we're not going to do it in a menacing way. So first we're going to take off the bracelet. Take a look. Just go to any one of the links, unscrew it. All of us at home know how to unscrew stuff. And then we're gonna actually just slide out the pin. You can see how it's located, and the band opens up butterfly style. And now you can take a look at the holes. That's where your entrance to the spring bar is. You apply pressure with your thumb and your index finger, and you push outwards while you press the spring bars in. It's like a little spring, and they both have two sides, and they both push in. And once you do that, you should hear a little click, and it just slides right down. You could stop here and you could just check out the reference number, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna take this whole band off, and 1 and 2, it's out of there. It's a little aggressive because this watch is dirty. Take a look close up and see the numbers clearly, 116610. That is your reference number. That is the identification of your Rolex model. Take a look how beautiful this thing is. Ceramic bezel, Submariner. Goes 300 meters deep. We love it. Now, we're gonna put it back together. Exactly how we took it apart. Starts by inserting the spring bar. That's how it looks. I should have showed you a close-up, but that's how the spring bar looks. It has two sides to it. And it's the same thing. You apply pressure with your index finger and your thumb, but instead of pushing, you pull it. That way it's always in momentum and in preparation for movement. And you click it in one side, and the other side, you push that in, boom. Now, need another third time, and boom. See, I'm not scratching this watch. I've done this 1,000 times. I'm not touching the screw to the case. And I would be very weary if you guys did this at home. You should take it to professional. This is just how it's done. This part, taking off a link, you guys could probably do at home, especially if it's a premium watch. See, it's really that easy. You just screw it out, screw it in. Now you push the screw in, make sure it's in there all the way, and then you actually start screwing like we've all done before. Be very delicate so screw does not slip and scratch your watch. Alright, that's on there. Now we do want to open the clasp. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm sure I'll end up opening the clasp. Oh, there we go. Makes it a little bit easier for us to get access to the spring bars. Now, same process. Put it on, apply pressure, index finger and thumb. You pull in. See side view, it presses 1, 2, and boom, it just slides in there. Once you feel the click, you hear the click, that's how you know it's good to go. Follow us more videos at A&E Watches.